Miami has the best of both worlds. The beaches in Miami are incredible. We swam for hours and saw numerous animals close to the shore at a city beach. We love swimming and we couldn't get enough of the ocean in Miami. We got to film so many animals. Pelicans, swarms of fish, stingrays. In another video, we even filmed a manatee, which you can watch on our channel. It's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. For now, just enjoy the music and the ocean. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you. Here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign, give me a sign. Oh baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more.
We loved watching these guys. Little crab fighting for its territory. This little fish was all by himself. Unfortunately, we didn't catch his pretty face on the GoPro.
Overflow. I don't really know what song, 'cause I'm a restless. Oh, here we go. It's overflow. I don't know where to go. Yeah, my heart, my soul. Oh, here we go. It's overflow. I don't really know what song, 'cause I'm a restless soul.
We were so lucky to film a stingray. The ocean holds a special part in our lives. We would love to be in the ocean all the time. The stillness and the beauty of the ocean really made us thinking. We are all connected. We are all one. This is Florida, Miami City. And we're close to the shore, and we still got to see so many treasures.
The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my
also love about Miami is the Cuban influence. Best food, best music, beautiful atmosphere. We just love Miami.
I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember while you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark.
Whoa, look at those cars. Palm trees, neon lights. I guess it can't get any better in Miami.
With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider to do so. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you.
How did we end up here in the corner, looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry.
Thank you so much for watching our video. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe.
I wanna get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here, can't get any worse. No, I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way.